Hello everybody, it's time for another episode of another Unbagging, Unboxing show. And today we're back with the LEGO Minifigures Series 21. The series jumped out at me because it has a lot of great figures in the series, and especially this guy. This guy jumped out at me because he's a clear homage to one of my favorite classic LEGO space lines. LEGO Space Police. Now, I loved LEGO Space Police as a kid. Just my favorite color is blue, so I love space things. So you had a bunch of blue and black spaceships that didn't fall apart. I thought, I get my guy out. And of course, in this episode, my guy got stuck. He lost his pants. Oh, God. Okay. Here we go. Put you back together. Pants. Never leave your vehicle without your pants. So, here he is. He's gonna push his ship back. Galactic Peacekeeper, and he's gonna work on fixing his ship. There we go. Yeah, fix your ship. Woo! Got knocked back there. Okay. Click the door. Okay, so here's the classic LEGO Space Police guy. Got a red visor and everything. He's gonna be right here. Say hi. Hi, say hi. There he is. Oh, autofocus. By the way, folks, I built a new tripod type thing to hold the camera, which is good, but it's like still not perfect in terms of focusing. So, okay. You get the idea. Hey there. So, he's gonna go hang out, check out her ship, while we introduce the newbie. Yeah, there you go. Go check out your ship, bud. So, this guy is a clear homage to the guy over here. See the red visor and all that? Let's open him up. So, sealed, of course. We're doing this live. I'm pretty sure it's the Space Police guy. If you're looking for him, feel for the shield and feel for the visor piece. The visor piece is loose from the helmet, and it'll feel like a fingernail, a big overgrown fingernail. So, let's cut this guy open. So far on the Unbagging Unboxing series, I've been really lucky and have not missed yet in terms of what I think is in here. Let's find out, shall we? We've got a head, a torso, a catalog, and oh, wow, that's a bunch of accessories. Okay, so, whew. Oh my goodness, there's a lot more pieces than I thought it was. Okay, we got a base. We're gonna set this base aside. Let's start with, So we got a head, we got pants. Let's start with pants, like we said. Nothing works without pants. Got a nice little piece here. White pants, black shoes or boots. Ooh. An updated torso of the classic Space Police guy. I'm going to get old school. Come on over here. Yep, see? Very similar. Ooh. Okay, and I'm back. In fact, you can help sort out all the accessories here. Okay, so one of the things it has is this giant torso armor piece. Very cool. There we go. Let's see if we can get a focus on that. Nope. Maybe. No. There we go. Nope. Close enough. Let's put the torso thing. Heavy metal on here. Heavy metal torso. There we go. Very cool. And we got some... Lost his head. A smiling head. And a determined head. Let's make him smiling. Let's have a happy, friendly officer. Oh, ship attack. Okay, park the ship. There. Perfect. Okay. What else we got? Oh. Whew. Take a breath here. How you looking? Looking good. That's how you're looking. Okay. So, hold on for a second there. I want to show off the shields, like this big old body shield type thing. And I'm gonna put that in hand in a moment. But look how cool it is. I don't think I've seen this kind of piece before, this shape. So, okay, put that aside. Got a helmet. Get your helmet all ready. Yeah, focus. Pretty cool. Problem with this shooting against this wall is that the wall in the far background draws focus from the camera, so everything else looks kind of fuzzy. Gotta hold it. Oh wait, there we go. Got the shield on there. Classic red visor. Yeah, put that together. Oh, that is slick looking. Throw that on there. Old school, come on over. Do a compare and contrast. Pretty cool. Lego knows their audience. So what else we got here? We've got handcuffs. And two pairs of handcuffs, so very useful. We've got this black lightsaber handle thing, which there were some blue pieces. Blue translucent pieces. They're too tiny to show you like this. Circular. You can fit them. So tiny. Something like that. Oh. Sorry. Gotta remember to do this on camera. I don't like that. There you go. They look like little flashlights. Throw that in hand. Take the flashlight, dude. Take the flashlight. Alright. He's got a flashlight. So, and of course, there's a gun. So, I'll put this in hand. Just like that. Put that gun down. Stand down, my friend. So, what's cool about this armor is that you can clip accessories on the back here. And, yeah. It's pretty cool. Take a bow, man. Really glad to get this piece because just how much Space Police line, how much I enjoyed it as a kid. So, yay! Lots of extra pieces, an extra visor, and, oh, you know what? I want to see the shield, so. Gun down. Or I should say flashlight down, gun down. Let's get this shield up. There we go. Twist it around. No space riots on our watch. Okay, so slide this over here. Take a look. Ooh, yeah. There we go. Very cool. Okay, that is the updated Space Police figure from the Series 21 Lego Collectible Minifigures. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.